Hello friends, we often created many Google and Gmail accounts, and now we want to delete them. So today, in this video, we will learn how to delete a Google and Gmail account permanently. It is a straightforward process, but before starting it, I would like to tell you that Google and Gmail are the same thing. If you delete your Google account, then your Gmail account will also be deleted. Not only this, but by deleting your Google account, all the services of Google linked to that account, like your YouTube channel, Gmail, Google Photos, and so on, will also be deleted. If you find the video useful, please do like and subscribe. Let's move to my mobile screen, but if you're doing this on a laptop, then you can follow the same steps too. First of all, open the Gmail app and then click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Now, if the account that you want to delete is not at the top, then click on that account to bring it to the top, and then click on the Google account below this. Alright, friends, now scroll to the left side and go to the Data and Privacy option. On this page, you will find the option to delete the Google account at the bottom, so scroll down to the bottom. Now you can see the option to delete your Google account. Just click on it. Now here if you have a passkey, then click on Continue. But if you don't have one, click on Try Another Way. I am assuming that most of you do not have a passkey, so I will click on Try Another Way. If you have forgotten your password, I will put a video on recovering the password in the description of this video and in the I button, so you can recover your account from there and then enter your password here. After this, click on the second option and enter your correct password. Okay friends, I think you have entered your password, so just click on the next button. Now if you want to download your data before deleting your Google account, then you can download it by clicking here. But keep in mind, after deleting the account, no data will be downloaded. To delete the account permanently, make sure you tick both boxes and then click on the Delete Account button. Wait here for a few seconds. Now you can see your account and your data have been deleted completely. But if you want to recover your account again, you can recover it within 20 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. I am also providing the video for recovering it in the description below. If you need it, you can watch that video and recover it.